Yeah, hi Adrian, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you, and it's all running. Basically what I've done is I've given it a good clean, because the cogs were pretty crapped up, as usual, as they always are. I've checked the micro for you, the micro switch. I've looked at your board for dry joints or any swollen caps, that's all good. And I've obviously fitted a brand new laser for you, and it's all working as it should be. Let me just turn the music up for you. You can hear that playing away there. Now I've had it on test now. Well, I mean most of the night, to be honest with you. While I've been working away doing some other work here, I've had to do some other work, so I've had it playing. But yeah, that's all good for you. So I trust you're happy with that, and all's good. You got a 6-month warranty on that part that I've replaced, and the labour to fit the part. So that's obviously all we can guarantee. I can't guarantee the board or anything else that I've not replaced. So. You know what I mean, if anything goes wrong with that, obviously that's not going to be down to us, but you know what I mean, very rare for them to ever go down anyway. So yeah, all working for you. I'll get that in a post for you today, so that should be with you tomorrow. Thank you very much for your business, and I do appreciate it, and stay safe and keep well. Thank you.